Hello guys, welcome back. This is day 2 of my YouTube tips. I'll be sharing some important tips on how you can increase your channel's revenue and also get the best for your YouTube channel. If you're new here and you love this, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. To give your CPM a significant increase, no matter the niche you are in, you need to think like an advertiser. So in today's video, I'm going to share some tips that you can apply to increase the CPM of your videos. One thing you need to understand is that the YouTube algorithm directs the type of ads that runs on your videos. So having this in mind, you need to be conscious of the kind of content that is in your videos. The algorithm is not a human, so it can't watch your videos to know what is in them. But it is being guided by what is called metadata, which is attached to every YouTube videos. And this metadata includes your video's title, description, tags, and most importantly, the spoken words in the videos. You can apply misleading video titles, description, tags, but the words spoken in your videos tell more about the type of content you have in your videos. And the YouTube algorithm uses them automatically as keywords for your videos. You can watch this video or check the link in the description later, where I explained the best and modern way of adding keywords to your YouTube videos. We all know that niches in real estate, finance, investments, software have higher CPM compared to lifestyle and entertainment niches. So if your channel is in these low-paying niches, the best you can do to optimize your CPM is to pick some topics from these high-paying niches and implement them in your videos. For example, you want to make a lifestyle vlog about your day out. You can simply share some personal finance tips, product reviews, softwares, or even talk about investment tips that you know in the course of the video. With this strategy, when the algorithm is distributing the type of ads that will run on your video, it will check up on your keywords, which includes and majorly the spoken words in that video. And if it finds that the video is a vlog and you talked about investments and software in it, that video has a good chance of running a high CPM ads on it, and you will notice a significant increase in your CPM. The next tip is to avoid some languages that are strange to YouTube search engine or algorithm. Because if the algorithm can't understand the title, description, or tags you place on your videos, it will place a low CPM ads on them. That is why some videos in some African languages have very low CPM. But I believe that Google is working towards incorporating other minor languages of the world. So my final tip here is long videos do not translate to high CPM. Long videos can increase your RPM, but not your CPM. So the tip here is that try creating straight to the point videos. Don't waste your viewers' time playing long intros, and don't take forever asking them to subscribe or like your videos. Also, avoid foul language. All this can drastically affect your CPM. And more importantly, family-oriented videos are good for decent CPM. That is all for today. Tomorrow, I'm going to share with you how you can increase your RPM. Don't forget to give this video a like and also share it. See you tomorrow.